हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल मैग्नेट मैन सॉल्यूशन। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 9th साइंस वर्कबुक केमिस्ट्री का चैप्टर नंबर 1 मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग। ओके, देखिए सबसे पहले हम करेंगे सेक्शन ए, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन और अस डायरेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ऑफ व्हाट मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ? आंसर, वेरी टाइनी पार्टिकल्स। Question number 2, what is fusion? The process of melting, that is the change of solid into liquid, is called fusion. Question number 3, latent heat evaporizations of two liquid A and B are 1000 J/kg and 1500 respectively. Then which liquid produce more cooling effect? Answer is liquid B. Question number 4, which phenomenon involved in the formation of clouds? Answer, condensation. Question number 5, which property of gas is useful to fill the gas easily in oxygen cylinder used by mountaineers? Answer is compressibility. Okay, compressibility. Question number 6, arrange the following in order increasing density. So answer, carbon dioxide, oil, a piece of iron. Okay. Then question number 7, gaseous matter possess definite shape. State whether this statement is true or false. Answer is false. Question number 8, oxygen gas can diffuse in water. State whether this statement is true or false. Answer is true. Question number 9, the kinetic energy of particles in solid state decreases increase in its temperature. State whether this statement is true or false. Answer is false. Question number 10, boiling point is a bulk phenomenon. State whether this statement is true or false. Answer is false. Question number 11, the melting point of any liquid is an indication of the strength of the force of attraction between its particles. State whether this statement is true or false. Answer is false. Okay. Then question number 12, 1.5 atm is equal to 1.515 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Is this true or false? Answer is true. Question number 13, the amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as latent heat of fusion. State whether this statement is true or false. Answer is true. Okay. Question number 14, water vapor at 373 Kelvin has more energy than water at the same temperature. Okay. Question number 50, the SI unit of pressure is, answer is Pascal. Question number 16, the process of conversion of a gas into liquid or reducing temperature and increasing pressure is called dash of gas. Answer is liquefaction. Okay. Then question number 17, the Bose-Einstein condensate is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density about dash the density of normal air to supervise low temperature. Answer is 1 lakh. Okay. Question number 3, 1 gram is equal to dash kg to 10 power minus 3 kg. Question number 19, ice float on water because the density of ice is less than water. Answer is less. Question number 20, in the dash state, the molecules on surface can move freely. Answer is liquid. The degree of heat energy present in the matter is called dash. Answer is temperature. Okay. And question number 22, match the following properly. The first question, the process of conversion of ice into water. Answer is option C, melting. Question number 2, the process of conversion of water into vapor. Answer is option D, evaporations. Question number 3, the process of conversion of solid into gas. Answer A, sublimation. Question number 4, the process of conversion of gas into liquid. Answer is option B, liquefaction. Then next match the following. First, potassium permanganate. So answer is C, KMnO4. Second, copper sulfate. So answer is D, CuSO4. Third, ammonium chloride. So answer is option E, NH4Cl. Fourth, dry ice. Answer is option B, CO2. Okay. Next, choose the correct option from those given below each question. So question number 24, in which physical state has a substance a definite shape and size? Answer is option C, solid. Question number 25, which of the following is not a matter? Answer is love. Question number 26, which of the following is not included in a characteristics of particle of matter? Answer is option A, particles of matter have no space between them. Question number 27. Which of the following substance undergoes sublimation? Answer is option C, Kapoor. Okay. Then question number 28. On converting the magnitude of temperature 408 Kelvin, 429 Kelvin and 491 Kelvin into Celsius scale, the magnitude obtained are respectively as option B. Okay. Option B, 135 degrees Celsius, 156 degrees Celsius and 218 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then question number 29. What is the latent heat of fusion of ice? So answer is option C, 3.34 multiplied 10 power 5. Question number 30. What is the reason for glowing the fluorescent tube and neon sign bulb? So answer is B. Okay. Question 30. Answer B. Then question number 31. What is called the phenomenon of changing of a liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point? Answer is option B, evaporation. Question number 32. Which of the following state is responsible for the brightness of the sun and the stars? Answer is option A, plasma. Question number 33. Which of the following statement is not true? Answer is option A, rate of evaporation increases with decreases in surface area. Okay. Now we started a section B. So जो भी हमारे चैनल पर नया है वो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और इस वीडियो को अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया है तो इस वीडियो को एक लाइक भी कर देना. ओके. चलिए अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं सेक्शन बी. तो आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट विद इन द लिमिट ऑफ 40 to 50 वर्ड्स एज डायरेक्टेड. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, स्टेट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ पार्टिकल ऑफ मैटर. आंसर, फॉलोइंग आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ पार्टिकल ऑफ मैटर. फर्स्ट, द पार्टिकल ऑफ मैटर हैव स्पेस बिटवीन देम. Second point, the particle of matter are moving continuously. Third point, the particle of matter attract each other. Okay. Now second question, which of the following are matter? इनमें से कौन सा मैटर है? तो फर्स्ट हमारा टेबल मैटर है, कोल्ड एयर, हार्ट एंड कोल्ड ड्रिंक, कैश्यू. ओके. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डिफाइन. फर्स्ट हमारा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. आंसर, the temperature at which a liquid starts boiling at the atmospheric pressure is called its boiling point. Second, humidity. The concentration of water vapor in the atmosphere is called humidity. Then fourth, what is the physical state of water at the following temperature? First, 300 Kelvin is equal to liquid. Okay. Second, 273 Kelvin solid and liquid. 473 Kelvin gaseous. Question number 5, explain the interconversions of three states of matter. So answer, matter can change its state. Second, solid, heat to liquid, heat to gas. Okay. इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा. जब हम सॉलिड को हीट करेंगे तो लिक्विड बन जाएगा, जब हम लिक्विड को हीट करेंगे तो गैस बन जाएगा. ओके. और जब हम गैस को कूल करेंगे तो लिक्विड बन जाएगा और लिक्विड को कूल करेंगे तो सॉलिड बन जाएगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हमारा, ऑन इंक्रीजिंग द टेम्परेचर द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ पार्टिकल्स इंक्रीजेस. The particle of overcome the force of attraction and the matter changes into a new state. Okay. Question number 6. What is evaporation? Explain. The phenomenon of changing of an liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Evaporation occurs at the surface of the liquid. The factors that affect rate of evaporation are the surface area, temperature, humidity, and wind. Okay. Then question number 7. What is the pressure of gas? Mention the unit of measuring pressure. The first point, the particles of a gas are moving randomly at high speed in all directions due to high kinetic energy. They vibrate constantly and collide with the wall of the containers. The impact of the moving particle exerts pressure on the wall of container. Second point, 1 atmosphere is a unit of measuring pressure exerted by gas. Third point, the SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Question number 8. Why are we able to drink hot tea easily from a sachet rather than a cup? Answer, hot tea is a sachet has larger surface area as compared to cup. The rate of evaporation is faster if the surface area is increased. The hot tea in sachet cools sooner than in a cup, and we are able to sip hot tea faster from a stir than the cup. Okay. Question number 9. What droplets are seen on the other surface of a glass containing very cold water? Why? Answer. When very cold water is filled in a vessel, the water vapor present in air came in contact with the glass and loses energy. It gets converted into liquid state. Hence, water droplets are seen on the outer surface of a glass containing very cold water. And question number 10. The solubility of copper sulfate is more in hot water than cold water. Explain. Due to following reason. First reason है हमारा, as the temperature increases, the kinetic energy of the particle also increases. So the solubility also increases. Point number 2. In hot water, the kinetic energy of particle is more, while in cold water, the kinetic energy of particle is less. देखिए आगे का जो भी सॉल्यूशन है हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट में करेंगे, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. उस वीडियो की लिंक आपको नेक्स्ट पार्ट की वीडियो की लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी. वहाँ से जाके आप चेकआउट कर सकते हो. तो आज की ये वीडियो यहीं तक. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में.